We forgot the recording here.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll take it. Yeah, it will 1 to 2. After 1 minute, it will shoot up. Boom.
Right.
So it should be around 300 per minute.
And if you see the samples count also, now 13, 14, 11, right? It's very slow. Okay. And we'll see after next one. Okay, now you see they started rising up.
It is getting pushed, but not able to enough.
No, good number. Trying to get number, but it's not happening.
You can, if you like, instead of hitting with 4 samplers, if you hit only with 1 sampler, then
we won't get the real number as well.
But anyway, concept wise is okay.
Yeah.
Concept wise is okay, like it will increase after the second 1 minute.
Right, yes.
The response times also matter. 90th already 1.1.
So that's right. These response times only are favored. If they are performing very fast and medium, then we'll get 1 number. If they're not fast in either, then they do that one. Okay, 2 minutes it got stopped. And it tried to get 45 per minute. And to understand this much, right, let's add a graph which shows exactly hits per second. Okay, this will help your real-time calculation. See, now hits per second is around 1, 2. Now this better number, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so always try to stay in 1 and 2. See, stays between 1 and 2 only.
Let's see after 10 seconds how it's rising.
Okay, now let's wait for 60 seconds after 1 minute, no? Because it has to calculate average, right? To get that number, that's you have to calculate. Okay, if I read like this, then you'll get like. So now it's varying after 1 minute exactly.
Six per second means?
We give 5 and 7.
Agreed. Got it.
Hmm. Now I remember this graph. It was easy to explain.
You are hiding a lot of information.
It will come based on the time, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have one more thing is a controller. In the logic controller, we have throughput controller.
Mm.
So this is also same thing. The only difference is same thing, but more control.
Mm.
It's like 50%, 100% kind of.
Mm.
Okay, let me disable this. Suppose in this controller, I kept only 4 and 5.
Mm.
Okay, let's put only 5 to understand much better. Okay, so I said that it's a we have percentage total execution.
Mm.
So if I give 50 here, it means total throughout the users. Suppose I given 10 users, it will write 10 times. Nah? If I give 50, it means I'm expecting only 50% of it.
Mm.
Okay, now let's see. And here we put infinity 1. So we'll see the difference. Now we'll observe only request 5. So we should get request 5 as 5 only. See, this is
Yeah.
called scenario based control, because some scenarios, right, you want to hit login page 50% of the users, action some 20% of the users, checkout 30% of users. To control those things in JMeter, we are using this throughput controller.
But if you will go for the simple way, right? So 2 requests are there. Can you stop?
No.
Can you go there?
Which one?
No, go there, like throughput controller. For percent execution, what else we are having?
We have total execution. So to give the number.
Total number of throughput, right?
Now if I give 5 year, 4 year, no, it will run only 4 times. Let's see. See, 4.
4 TPS, na? Or 4 times?
No, 4 times. Total out of the total is 4.
Get executed 4 times, right?
Yeah. So, but we don't know, right, how many it will come. So better go with percent only. That's safe. Because currently I given 10, I know only I will need 4, I have given 4. But in the real time, we give 1000, will give some number. Based on all this number, it will get the output.
But as for throughput, right? Throughput is nothing but request per minute, right? Throughput
Is nothing request per minute, but here this is saying to control this request in this way. It's not like exactly it will control TPS, but it will control in this way. Based on this also, this number will change, no? See, if I give 10 here, we'll get one more number here. So this is also one of the options to do this kind of scenarios. They given the name as
basically, suppose I want login is a transaction, search is a transaction. I want search number of transactions should be 30 times the search will be executed. If you put it in throughput controller, it will execute for 30 times, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So when you have that type of scenario, we have, because see in JMeter, we try to put equal to load runner. So whatever we do run, we try to do in JMeter as well, no? Because this, so that's why they provide its name as throughput controller. Okay. Yeah. So that's a thing. Now let's go to coding concept. Okay, and we have pending with Influx, right? We'll we have time now. We'll try to install Influx and we'll resolve the error today itself. Otherwise,
till 8:30, more 15 minutes I have.
Okay, let's go to coding concept. Right. So generally,
coding concept will be like we'll go for one class. Like it is a, I'll have a lot of questions.
Achha, okay.
Coding is a main part.
Main part. Okay. So then we'll take break now. Then we'll stop today. Then.
Anything like you want to like share your
We have
knowledge?
only Influx and coding only here. These two things.
Anything you wanted to share, like interesting thing, like?
interesting with everything coding only.
Any graphs, like any new graphs, like what you generally use?
Mhm. These days we are not gotten the graphs, sir. If you tell me real thing. So these are the graphs which are available here. Okay. So the only thing we are considering is hits per second and response times. However, response time vary. And whether it is right away or it's constant graph or it's up and down, how the things are there.
So tomorrow we'll complete that InfluxDB and Grafana.
Yes, InfluxDB and coding as well. I mean, if time permits.
Coding separate class. One more class, 2 class. Tomorrow is Grafana, InfluxDB, and one more class, that Groovy script, that is the important part actually.
That's right. But Influx won't take much time now. We covered already half of the things. Only practicing is pending, right?
Yeah. And today they just share this JMX file as well as that one they got from the office, right? The query. Query one, that also share.
Actually, you want to see that? Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's meet tomorrow then, Ravi, like around
sure.
7:30, like one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today morning 5:30 I woke up and I was working. My time it's almost